Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the invitation. We are going to propose you what is our preliminary thoughts on the financing for this transaction. I'm Giuseppe Schermi, and I will be responsible for this deal along with my team. We will give you a small presentation of 5 minutes, followed by a question afterwards. But here the key message that I really want to highlight you is what we feel being the sustainable leverage for this transaction is a deal that has a 3.7 times leverage on a senior structure, or 4.3 times if you go for the mezzanine structure. On this basis, we are happy to give you a full underwriting of the deal, and we will work with you in order to commit by the timetable that you gave us. So now, going to the presentation, and you will have a copy of the handouts afterwards. Let's look first at the senior structure. So in the senior structure, we are proposing 100 million of senior debt that will be split between an A and B loan, 6 and 7 years tenure, and the B loan will be bullet, the A loan will be amortized. Here I want to highlight the amortization of these will be, according to market standard, average life 3.5 years. Other points that I want to highlight, we request a minimum equity that will be 50% of the total sources and uses. If we move instead to the mezzanine structure, in this case the senior will be 90 million for a reduction from 100 to 90, but then the mezzanine that we put in the structure will be 30 million, giving a total leverage of 4.3 times. In this case, because of the mezzanine component, the equity request will be lower and will be only 45%. This proposal is based on the mezzanine case that you gave us, and what I want to highlight you is that under this case you will have sufficient flexibility in terms of fixed charge, and also the company will achieve a quick deleverage, and by 2015 the leverage will be below 1 times. At that time we can see and think of a refinancing of the deal. Therefore, you will be able to achieve your management case without having to worry about the financing. All this is subject to due diligence. We highlight here a number of issues that the due diligence had to solve. We're not expecting any material problems, and when we find satisfactory due diligence to this, as I said at the beginning, we're very happy to provide you a full underwriting. You will work only with us on a confidential basis, and we will meet the deadline that you get proposed. So now we can go to the questions.